Worcester Bosch EA error code. No flame detected. Welcome to BeFix. Reliable, local, gas safe. In today's video, we're explaining the Worcester Bosch EA error code. This one means your boiler is trying to light, but it can't detect a flame. I'll take you through what it means, what causes it, and what you can safely check before calling a gas-safe engineer. When a Worcester Bosch boiler displays the EA error, it's telling you it couldn't detect a flame during the ignition process. The boiler automatically shuts down for safety whenever it can't verify that gas has successfully ignited. You might hear the boiler click or spark as it tries to light, but then it cuts out. That's the flame detection system doing its job. This fault can stop your heating and hot water completely until it's resolved. The most common causes include gas supply issues, such as a closed gas valve, empty meter, or interruption in supply. Faulty ignition electrodes, worn or cracked electrodes that can't generate a strong enough spark. Flame sensor problems. If the ionization probe is dirty or damaged, it won't detect the flame correctly. Blocked burner or restricted flue, preventing proper combustion. Or sometimes a faulty gas valve or PCB, failing to send or receive ignition signals. You can safely carry out a few checks before calling an engineer. 1. Check other gas appliances in your home, such as your cooker or hob, to make sure gas supply is working. If they're not lighting either, contact your gas provider. 2. Reset the boiler once using the reset button. Sometimes the EA code can appear after a temporary ignition failure. 3. Check your condensate pipe outside the property. In cold weather, this pipe can freeze and prevent ignition. If it's frozen, pour warm, not boiling, water over it to thaw it safely. 4. Make sure the boiler flue terminal outside isn't blocked by leaves or debris. 5. Avoid resetting the boiler repeatedly. If it keeps locking out, there's a genuine ignition fault that needs attention. If the EA fault keeps returning, it's time to contact BeFix. We'll carry out a full ignition test, inspect the electrodes and sensors, and verify that the gas valve and burner pressure are working correctly. We'll also ensure the flue and combustion are completely safe. In some cases, we may need to replace the ignition electrode or flame sensor. Both are common wear and tear components on older Worcester Bosch boilers. Don't get stuck without heating. Call BeFix to get your boiler safely relit and running again. Reliable, local, gas safe.